Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're making this delicious chicken kabsa. It's a traditionally an Arab dish, but we've made it the cook and share way. So I'm not claiming to be traditional, but it's aromatic, simply delicious, spice to life. If you want to try something different, you gotta do this. So let me walk you through it. First off, I'm going to add some oil to a preheated pan here and add in a handful of raisins and almonds. And if you don't have almonds, you can use cashews or peanuts. And we're just going to toast these up for a few minutes. And I should mention, this is going to be the garnish for our rice, and it makes the rice super fragrant. Now they're toasted, I'm just going to go ahead and set these aside. After that, in the same pan, I'm going to add in, I'd say about half a kilo of chicken parts. Now I'm using bone-in chicken, but you can use any cut of chicken you want. You can even use boneless, skinless. I just like the skin, it adds a little bit of flavor. And what we're going to do is cook this until it browns up. Okay, we've got some nice color here, so I'm going to set these aside. For the third step, I'm going to add in a medium-sized chopped onion, a thumb-sized minced ginger, and 3 cloves of chopped garlic. And I'm just going to fry these or saute them until they're fragrant. This will just take a minute or two. Now for our spices, I've got a cinnamon stick that I cut in half, and if you don't have that, you can just use the ground cinnamon, 2 bay leaves, half a teaspoon of cardamom, and if you don't have it, you can leave it out. Salt and pepper to taste, and 5 cloves. So I'm just going to add these in and just saute them until the spices activate. This smells incredibly good, guys. After a minute or two, I'm going to add in 1 large chopped tomato. And we'll give this a little stir. Alright, the tomatoes are tender, and what a fragrance this is. I'm going to put the chicken back in. Believe me, this is going to be so good. And stir it until the spices fully coat the chicken. Now the chicken is fully coated, then I add in half a lime, add in 4 cups of water, and we're going to bring this to a boil. Simmer this over medium heat for about 20 or 25 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. After about 25 minutes, the chicken is nicely done, so we're just going to go ahead and set this aside again because we don't want to overcook it. Now in the same pan, I'm going to add in a cup of basmati rice. You can use whole grain rice, whatever you have on hand. And I should mention too, I pre-washed this. So we'll just give this a stir, bring it to a boil, and simmer it until the basmati rice is fully cooked. After about 5 minutes of boiling, I'm just going to lower the heat, cover it, and let it simmer for an additional, I'd say 3 to 5 minutes. After about 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to remove the lid and just look at this. It's so fragrant, I wish I had smell-o-vision. Now it's time to plate this up. So what I'm going to do here is put the rice on first. Then put the chicken over the top. Garnish it up with our toasted raisins and almonds. Last but not least, some coriander, just to give it that green effect and a little bit of extra flavor. And there you have it, the cook and share version of chicken kabsa. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Believe me guys, simply fantastic. The chicken is tender, juicy, the rice is absolutely stunning. You gotta make this, you're gonna love it. So for this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. Recipes galore, cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.